Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my wash day routine and trying out Acure Argan Oil and their pumpkin seed shampoo and conditioner. To start off, I like to saturate my hair with warm water before I go in with the shampoo. I picked these products up from my local Sprouts Farmers Market on sale for $8. They normally retail for $10, which I think is really affordable. The collection I'll be using has the yellow packaging, and the shampoo itself is really clear. It has like a fluid consistency. I was really surprised to see how well and quickly the shampoo lathered up. It gave me a really nice lather for it to be paraben free, sulfate free, and free from mineral oils, as well as silicone free, cruelty free, and might I add, you guys, it's 100% vegan. Now that I'm 22 weeks post-relaxer, I wear a lot of protective hairstyles. So for this week's wash day, I decided to shampoo 3 times because I felt like my hair was extremely oily after I took my braids down. So here I'm on my second round of shampoo, and I like to first place the shampoo down directly on my scalp. Then I'll go in with this scalp invigorating shampoo brush. If you guys are interested in this brush, make sure you check the description box down below because I get a lot of questions on the shampoo brush. This shampoo is so hydrating. While I was washing my hair, I could tell that my scalp was getting clean without it being stripped from any of its natural oils, while it was adding some additional oil to my hair, which I absolutely can appreciate that. On their website, it says that it's supposed to provide moisture to dry and damaged curly hair, leaving it soft and manageable. I can definitely agree to those claims. My hair feels silky smooth before I even go in with the conditioner. really like this collection. I would love to see more from them, maybe like a deep conditioning mask, an argan oil, or even like a detangler. I would love to see more products from them other than just shampoo and conditioner. If you guys have tried any of Acure's products out, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.